Hey guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Gigi Hadid's Instagram. I did this video a couple weeks ago for Ariana Grande as well, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to go check it out afterwards. I did this video in kind of like a vlog style. I showed you like behind the scenes of me getting ready and taking the pictures and stuff like that. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below if you like these kinds of videos or any videos you want to see from me. So if you want to see me recreate Gigi Hadid's Instagram, then please just keep on watching. My hair don't look like that. I'm gonna have to like wet it.
Yeah. Gwen Stefani?
This is Mariah Carey.
Oh. Same thing.
Oh yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Like literally, who the f did her makeup this day? Don't want to know. Because her makeup really looks bad in this picture. Like really bad. I'm doing one of my eyebrows.
Because the other one's covered.
Oh my hair's, yep, that's how it's going.
Okay.
I just put on a choker and something black. I just need like a black halter top or something. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you think this one looks like it?
Hold on, wait. I have to look over your shoulder.
Don't like the background.
Yeah,
hair.
no. Yeah, I do think that one looks like it.
I think that's the closest it's gonna get, I think. I feel like that's like as good as it's gonna get.
I like that one, yeah.
Like the filter.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it looks good.
Okay, and that's it.
Okay.
On to the next one.
Next one.
That's good as getting. She has a piece of hair coming down over here, so that's perfect. Okay. She has a good dark lip on. Well, I need help. This is like literally brown.
It looks brown. It looks like black in the picture.
That's because her picture is black and white.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to put it through like 10,000 times. But it's getting there. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's...
If we do it like a couple more times, I think it would look like
Yeah,
it.
I think you only need to do it one more time.
And that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know in the comments if you like these kinds of videos and what other videos you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!